everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. After a long time I'm back with a new video. I'm sorry for being MIA for a long time, but due to some personal reasons I was not available on YouTube. But now that I'm back, so I am going to share with you this beautiful tutorial for the upcoming festivals. So the festival season is on and we have a lot of festivals during this time of the year. October May we do have Dashera, we do have Durga Puja, we have Diwali, we have Karwa Chauth. So I thought let's just try and create a makeup look that is appropriate for the upcoming festival season. ये जो makeup look है ये basically मैंने create किया है for the Durga Puja, and you can see how beautiful this looks. This is a traditional Durga Puja look, मतलब Bengali look kind of, जिसमें कि I am wearing this sari and red blouse. I have tried to create a Bengali look. I am not sure मैं इसमें कितनी successful हुई हूँ, but this is how it has turned out and I am absolutely loving it. I am wearing these bangles, these red bangles, and गले में मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं पहना है because I have these big झुमकास. So मेरे को लगा कि मुझे लगा कि गले में पहनना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So this is the makeup look that I have come up with. So if you are interested in watching how I got this look, then please continue watching. But आगे बढ़ने से पहले make sure आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिया है and बेल बटन पे भी हिट कर दिया है. I will try and upload regularly from now. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started. ओके, सो दैट वुड बी ऑल फॉर दिस लुक. आई होप आप सबको मेरा ये दुर्गा पूजा अप्रोप्रिएट मेकअप लुक पसंद आया होगा and you really find this helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care all and bye.